Data is at heart of every business today, and we at Data Infra is transforming the capacity and the landscape of this. We are looking very futuristic, and with AI at middle of our logo and at our heart, we are looking to transform the business for all of us.
Data Infra Stories is one of the transformation of businesses, industries, and of course ourselves. With innovation at our core and the team that shares the unified vision, we are not just preparing for the future, we are actually shaping it.
Our mission extends beyond just delivering solutions. We are creating global collaborations that would drive measurable impact across the globe. So at Data Infra, we bring in a wealth of experience. We bring in a complete understanding of global markets, helping businesses to thrive, helping businesses to scale, helping businesses to navigate through the complexities, and making sure that their operations are scalable through our data-driven strategies.
Excellence in execution is what sets Data Infra apart. Data Infra is an extended arm of development for your company. We ensure you with seamless execution and measurable results.
With AI and cloud solutions, we are pushing the boundaries of what's possible here. From building large-scale architecture to integrating real-time intelligence, we are helping the businesses to innovate faster and quicker. The next frontier is here, and we are leading the way.
What truly sets us apart is our commitment to innovation and customization. Our low-code, no-code solutions actually simplify the complex integrations in the customer's organizations. We have the ability to deliver the solutions which are automated, which are simple to use, and enable the customers to deploy their solutions in a quick fashion, which saves a lot in their overall cost of ownership.
We are Data Infra, and we are transforming data into a futuristic landscape.
So partnering with us means accessing tailored solution designed to meet challenge of today's data economy. At Data Infra, we started with a bold vision to redefine how businesses leverage the power of data. Over the year, we started with a small team with a big ideas and became a global leader in data transformation space.
Data Infra, enabling digital transformation.